Today we're going to be discussing the use of TC Communications products for applications in the oil and gas industries. TC Communications has been in operation since 1991, serving a variety of industries, including oil and gas. All of our products are designed, manufactured, and supported from our Irvine, California headquarters. TC Communications products connect legacy interfaces over modern networks. For example, you may want to connect analog phones over a more modern network such as Ethernet IP, T1 or E1, or dark fiber. However, when it comes to oil and gas, Ethernet and fiber are the most common transport mediums. And when we're talking about Ethernet, we'll be focusing on our Jumbo Switch product family. When it comes to our solutions regarding oil and gas, we're going to cover four major areas: IP networks, SCADA, channel bank replacement, and phones. The easiest way to find any of our products is by referencing our product matrix. Simply choose your transport column followed by your interface row, and the product you're looking for will be at that intersection. In this case, we're looking at our Ethernet IP column under the Ethernet row, and you'll find our TC3850-1 Jumbo Switch 10G multi-service Ethernet switch. Each product number is clickable from our product matrix, and the link will take you to our webpage for that product. Let's talk about IP networks, specifically with our Jumbo Switch TC3850-1 10G switch. This product can provide a bus or ring-based network. An individual unit has the capability of housing two hot-swappable interfaces. For oil and gas applications, these could include SCADA and phone. However, any and all Jumbo Switch cards can be used with the TC3850-1. This product can also interface with other Jumbo Switch racks to provide sub-rings or hubs for the main ring. This diagram illustrates how the TC3850-1 can be used to form a 10G ring application with individual interface cards connected to local edge devices or other Jumbo Switch devices. We also have our TC3840-5, which is our Jumbo Switch management card equipped with two 2.5 gigabits SFP ports and two 1 gigabit Ethernet ports. This would be used in any rugged application where 10G is not required and can fit in any of the Jumbo Switch racks, coupled with any combination of Jumbo Switch interface cards, including SCADA, channel bank replacement, phones, etc. If you require additional Ethernet ports or SFP ports, you can add our TC3841 and 42 interface cards to your Jumbo Switch racks. The Jumbo Switch is popular due to its high temperature range, rugged capability, and reliability with a 300,000 hour MTBF rating, as well as its wide range of interfaces including SCADA, channel bank replacement, phones, and more. Let's talk about SCADA. SCADA is serial-based, which means oversampling can be applied. Also, our products are capable of operating any RS-232, 422, or 485 device, synchronous and asynchronous. This solution is very low latency and, coupled with oversampling, can make for a simple and secure solution. Looking at analog phones, we have a number of solutions. The example we'll look at is the extension over Ethernet. Of course, TC Communications can provide phone solutions over T1 and fiber as well. You can have a TC Communications device at each end, which provides an extension of a PBX line. Another very common solution we provide is called a crash phone. We have a variety of solutions for a single crash phone link to more complex solutions, such as with the TC8938, where a phone is extended up to 7 lines. We also have a variety of different phone solutions provided by our Jumbo Switch line of products, which multiple PSTN lines can be provided through multiple phone extensions. Let's talk about channel bank replacement. Channel banks were popular in the past, but are now becoming obsolete and lack support. TC Communications can offer a flawless replacement. We can replace channel banks with the Jumbo Switch as shown here. Or we can offer a channel bank replacement solution with our mini channel bank as shown in the following diagram. We do have more videos that offer a more detailed explanation of these solutions. Feel free to take a look. The links are in the description. It's worth mentioning that all TC Communications products can withstand a standard temperature range of -20 to 70 degrees Celsius, and an extreme temperature option is available from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. In fact, one of our largest customers, Saudi Aramco in Saudi Arabia, prefer our jumbo switch for many reasons, including the fact that climate control is impossible in the area where the network resides. The temperature range and reliability has served this customer for over 15 years. TC Communications can also provide an impressive range of mounting options to fit any application. For more information, please visit tccomm.com. You can view our product matrix by scrolling down to right here. Or you can get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner of our homepage. Please like and subscribe for more content. And as always, thank you for watching.